Oh, guys, sorry, you interrupted me while I was playing with the slime that we just made. After you need like about 5 or 10 minutes, it'll turn into this. Well, we could do it a different color. It doesn't matter what color. I'm going to show you a couple tricks that you could do with your slime while you're getting bored with it and still want to play with it. Let's get started. So I just showed you one of the tricks, but I'm going to do it again. It just broke. Sorry guys, that didn't work that time. There, like that. And then here's another one. Let me get like this first, and then like that. Then put your fingers in a square. Then boom, it's like a window. And here's another one after you do that. It makes these popping noises. Can you hear that? I don't know if you mind, it's a little too quiet. There's a little bubble that you might pop. That one was kind of loud. The small ones are probably the loudest. And you can make it bounce if you roll it up. Look at that! This is a bouncy ball. Bouncy slime ball. And here's another one. Get a straw, a hard straw. Put it in like this. Make sure it's like a ball. Hold it like that. It popped. I'm trying to make a balloon for my happy little kids. Or Santa Claus. Santa store. It popped again! No! This is probably the hardest. Oh, there's a little balloon right there. And then I'm gonna pop. I'm pretty sure the balloon works better on this one that I showed you. I'm gonna show you it on this one. Is that okay, guys? Alright. Let me put it in here. And I'm going to show you with this one. I'm going to get a little chunk. Alright. Let me get it like this. And then you do this, hold it like that. There you go, you have a big balloon. And then, boom, you destroy the balloon. And then the popping noises again. This is a lot of popping noises. You guys comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace!